Hey everyone, take a look at my gorgeous new shower fixture. I absolutely love it and I want to tell you guys all the features that it includes. So first we're going to be talking about the shower head. It is this beautiful square and it can move in all directions, which is great. So you can angle it wherever you would like. Over here we have the handheld as well. As you can see, it has its own little base and it has water coming from the front or the top, you can choose. And of course you have the plate where you control the temperature, hot and cold, and whether you're going to be wanting the water to come out the shower or the handheld. So let's turn on the shower. As you can see, there's a lot of water coming in. It is great pressure and it is an amazing feature. So let's change to handheld now. I'm going to pick it up. And as you can see here, it's going to be coming from the front. So let's angle it down, and over here we can just turn it into the handheld. It does take a little bit for the shower to stop completely and come to the handheld, but it is fairly quick. So there you go. Here's the handheld. And now we're going to turn it off. And here, as you can see, there's the little feature to turn it to the top. So all you gotta do is turn it this way, just like that, all the way until it clicks. And now water should be coming off the top for you to clean. There we go. Take a look. It is so powerful. There's a lot of pressure built up into the system, and I absolutely love all the features that it comes with. It is also a beautiful black color which matches everything else in my bathroom, and I definitely recommend. This is going to be one of the best showers you've ever had, so go check this product out, you guys.